Hi, today I'm going to show you guys how to download the free extension to your Chrome browser called Screencast Recording. This is one of many, but this one's really easy to use, and the nice part is it is actually free. In order to start doing this, you're going to go to recordmyscreen.com, or you can Google Screencast Recording by Cloud HQ, and it'll take you to this web page right here. Down here, you're going to see the red button that says Install Screencast Recording. Go ahead and click on that. That will take you to the Chrome store, and you will see that Screencast Recording for Gmail is free. Over here, there's going to be a blue button. Mine says Remove from Chrome because I'm already using it. Yours should say Install to Chrome, and you're going to go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, it is going to install the Screencast Recording into your Gmail browser, which will look like this. So up here in my upper right-hand corner of the screen, you're going to see a little TV. That's how you initiate using Screencast anytime you want to. So for instance, just a little while ago, I set up this web page right here, and I pressed that button right there. It brought me into the Screencast app. And what you then do is choose the type of video that you want to make. Is it an application window? Do you want your entire screen? What I chose was the application window so that what I saw was just my screen. And then I clicked share, and that initiated the start of the video. To end the video, when you're all done, you click this button down here, stop sharing. The video will end, and then it will give you a variety of upload options. You can download it to your Google Drive, you can upload it directly to YouTube, and then share it with your students, whichever way best works for you. Hope this helps, and good luck with your remote learning experience.